Hey, what is up guys? Welcome to another episode of AGR Tech 1, and in this video we'll be showing you guys a review of the Smooth Sense with Beats for the Samsung Galaxy Ace, which is a custom ROM. This is for the GT-S5830, which is the original variant of the phone. So I'll be showing you this awesome custom ROM which has been developed by some of the guys over at XDA. I will have a download link in the description for the ROM, so go ahead and download it. If you do not know how to install ROMs, I've also made a tutorial on my channel in the past which shows you guys how to install ROMs on your Galaxy Ace. So go check that video out. I'll have a link as well for that in the description. So let's go ahead and check out this ROM. So this ROM brings you a nice HTC Sense style to your phone rather than the boring TouchWiz that it comes with. Basically, when you have your lock screen over here, you got the Sense wallpaper which comes from the HTC One X. As well as the clock down here. I believe there is an option to customize the location of that clock. And the lock screen is a Sense 3.0 style lock screen with the stock sounds that come inside. Scrolling down with the notifications, we have a transparent notification along with scrollable toggles at the top. We have toggles to turn on and off the lock screen, as well as reboot, shutdown, screen timeout, auto sync, auto rotation, and all the others, as well as a flashlight which actually does work. I'll just go ahead and demonstrate that for you guys. So just turn that off, sorry. So the flashlight does indeed work. And you got everything else. This ROM, believe it or not, is based on 2.3.6 stock firmware, so it is working out of the box. Everything is working, camera, Wi-Fi, all that kind of stuff is working just fine. So you shouldn't have any problems with this ROM. All the icons have been themed to look like the HTC One X, so it's pretty nice. And if you go to the app drawer here, you get an experienced sort of app drawer. This is actually very similar to a ROM called Experienced V13, which I've actually just reviewed. I'm actually uploading it as of this video. And if you've watched that, which by the time you're watching this, that video will be up. Basically, that ROM is similar to this. It's based on the Xperia launcher, so it comes with a custom launcher inbuilt. So you have all those animations that you get with the Xperia. So I thought that was a pretty nice addition with this ROM. Now this ROM comes with a CF root kernel, so it is overclockable, I believe, up to 883 megahertz. Still, that is pretty fast. The ROM at the moment is not overclocked with me using it. However, I've found that it's actually pretty fast and pretty good for performance. So basically, if you go into your settings here, you guys can see all the icons have been changed and themed up to look like the HTC Sense 3.0 UI. Scrolling down to the About device, you guys can see all the writing is in green, just like the HTC Sense, which is what we get on the HTC Evo 4G. You also have Android version 2.3.6, and if I go through the Easter egg, you guys can see Beats by Dr. Dre over here, and it's fully rotatable as well. And with the kernel, you have a Ketnut kernel. This is based on the CF root kernel. So the battery life is actually pretty good. I was actually pretty impressed with the battery life. So it should last you a fair while. So basically it comes with all the stock sort of apps from TouchWiz. However, they've gone through and removed all the bloatware. And like the ROM suggests, this does come with fully working Beats Audio. It comes with DSP Manager, which has been ported from CyanogenMod, so you guys can go ahead and use that. It comes with the Market. You can update that to the Play Store. As soon as you sign in, it should go through and update itself to the Play Store. The camera is based on stock. This is the stock Samsung camera which comes on the stock ROM for the Galaxy Ace, so that is all working fine, as well as the usual suspects like Super User, My Files, Messaging, Task Manager, Gallery, Downloads, email. You also have Tweak Manager, which comes specific to CF root kernels. From here you can go through and tick all of these. Just tick all the ones you want and then hit apply changes and then reboot your phone, and you guys can go through and check those out. There's some pretty nice tweaks in there. as well as all the icons themed to look like HTC Sense. So definitely getting a lot of cool stuff in here, and it also comes with the Sense 4 clock as well, so you guys can go through and use that as well. So some pretty cool stuff going on in here. As for the wallpapers, you get the Beats Audio wallpapers. So if I go through here and go wallpapers, you guys can see HTC Space Caker, and through here you guys can see a couple nice wallpapers. We got some of the HTC stock wallpapers, as well as a couple custom ones which have been thrown into the ROM. So definitely some nice wallpapers here to choose from, and are definitely eye-catching. So you guys can see there's some pretty nice ones here. I actually like this one. So you guys can see you can change the wallpaper out, and this ROM is very customizable. Basically the whole settings, everything like that, it's all been tweaked up. With the phone storage, it is default. However, it is compatible with the Dark Tremor A2SD script. I believe it comes pre-installed with the kernel. So if you go out to the Play Store, you can download this app called A2SD GUI. Install that, and you can apply a mod or hack to your phone, which will go through and move a heap of data to the SD card. I will be making a tutorial on that actually soon, so stay tuned for that, and it will give you a whole heap of space on your phone. So if you're unhappy about the internal storage issue with the Galaxy Ace, you can go through and fix that with the video which I'll be making soon. So basically I just wanted to show you guys this ROM. It's a very nice ROM, as you guys can see. It also has CRT animation. And before I finish this video, I just going to quickly show you the power menu. I really like the power menu. It's got all the usual options, as well as reboot and some nice icons for those menus. It has recovery with the ROM manager logo there, as well as download mode and reboot. So we're just going to reboot the phone. So you guys can see that is the stock Samsung 2.3.6 gingerbread shutdown animation. So the phone has shut down here, and will now power back up. And it comes with a Beats by Dr. Dre boot animation, which I think is actually pretty awesome. So just give this a bit of time to boot. And like I said, this is a pretty sweet ROM. Definitely going to handle all of your daily day-to-day tasks, and is definitely fast enough for your means. So you guys can see the Beats Audio boot animation, which is pretty awesome. And like I said, it boots up pretty quick. Definitely a nice ROM. Check it out. This week's ROM of the week. I'll have a link in the description to download it, so just follow the instructions on my channel on how to install it, and you should have it working on your Galaxy Ace. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe down below for more updates on my channel. Also, be sure to like this video and share it with your friends on Facebook, Twitter, and Google+. Thanks for watching, and ultimately, have a nice day.